Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundsa Global. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to short, repeat header, and convert your table into text in MS Word. So let's get into the video and learn practically that how we can do these things into our MS Word table. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my MS Word software and this is the table on which I'm gonna apply the things, right? This is the table, dummy table, and I have added some dummy data into this table, right? So let's start with the sorting and how we can sort in MS Word. So let's learn it. For that, you have to click on the sheet, basically click on the table wherever you want. Just click on that and the layout option will be appeared in front of you. Now in layout option, you will be able to see this sort option in data, right? So click on this. As you can see, the table has been selected. Now you can sort according to serial number, name, language, math. Basically, how you want to sort, you have to select that, right? So I want to sort according to name, right? Now it is asking that ascending or descending, basically from A to Z or Z to A, right? So I'm gonna sort according to ascending order, A to Z, right? Everything is set now. Now just click on OK, and now it has been sorted according to A to Z, right? Basically, you'll be able to see that the serial number is changed now. A letter is in the top, then C, then J, J, L, M, M. So it is like that. Now let's say I want to sort again. Click on the sort. Now let's say I want to sort this time according to total marks. Now let's choose descending because I want the maximum number at the top and minimum number at the bottom, right? So hit the OK button. Now you'll be able to see that the maximum number is 314 and it is in the top, and 162, which is the minimum number, it is in the bottom, right? So that's how you can sort. You can use multiple options over here, then by, then, so you can use these options if you want. Otherwise you just need this option to do the basic sorting, right? Now hit the cancel button. Now there's one question that, let's say you have hundreds of students and you want to add the data of all the students into your MS Word, right? Now you might need multiple pages to add the data of 100 plus students, right? And you might need that this particular heading should be added in every page because you are adding the same data in same format, right? So you might need to add this particular headline, basically this red colored headline in every page. So how you can do that? So for that you have to select the table basically. So click wherever you want on the table, go to layout, you'll be able to see repeat header row. So select the table first. Now as you can see, repeat header row option is activated. Click on this. Now you will be able to see you have to add the table first, then you will be able to see the heading in every page, right? So let me just add the table here by clicking insert row like this, right? It doesn't went on the second page. Let me add few more. Now you will be able to see. Let me just decrease the size of it a little bit. Now as you can see, the first one is blank. We have started with the second page. Now as you can see, I have removed the first page. Now this one is the first page, and let me just do it again. For that I have to select the sheet, go to layout option again. Now once you have selected, now select the heading, basically the headline or the heading which you want to add in every page. Now just you have to select like this, then hit the repeat header option like this, right? Now as you can see, whatever the pages I add, how many pages I add, every time this particular heading will be added there, right? You just have to select this heading and you have to activate this repeat header rows, right? This is the simple two-step option. Now let me just add few rows so that I can show you the third page. And as you can see here, automatically the heading has been applied here, right? Now we do have convert to text option, but first let me just delete these two pages, or let's just don't waste time. Let's directly do the convert to text option, right? Let me make it 100% so that I can see the single page. This one is the data, right? Now I have to select the data, right? Click on convert to text option. Now we do have 3-4 options over here, right? That how you want to convert your text, right? So we do have paragraph marks, then tabs, then commas. The most popular one is tabs. If you click on this tabs, your data will be converted into a tabular form, as you can see here. So now your table is gone and you do have only text format, right? If I press Ctrl Z and go back to layout again and click on convert to text format again, and let's go with paragraph marks, and if I click on OK, so this is how your text is converted into paragraphs, right? The student name and their marks, right? Now let me press Ctrl Z and go back to layout again, convert to text. Now this time commas, hit the OK button, and this time your data has been converted into comma format, right? Let me press Ctrl Z again, and the fourth option we have, that is others. Basically whatever the mark you want to add instead of comma, you can add here, right? As you can see right now it is defaultly set on dash, and let's select the dash, and now as you can see instead of comma there's a dash added here, right? So the fourth option does this. I hope you learned from this video and you understood the proper method that how you can do all the things in MS Word, which I have shown in this particular video. I hope you are learning from this course, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you are feeling confused or you do have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Don't forget to share this course with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word. And with that said, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.